Alright, so we're going to do a video in the wind, but there's a little twist. We're going to make a parachute. So let's see how the audio sounds. Attempt. Alright. Make sure to close the door. So it's extremely windy out here. You can see the fans up here are moving. I feel like a news reporter right now. I don't know why. Okay, so it's really windy right now. The audio, I hope it sounds good. If it doesn't, then I don't know about this. You can feel the wind.
Yeah, I can feel that.
It's strong. Look at the trees. They're shaking. So hopefully the audio sounds good right now. But this is gonna be crazy, man. Like, I feel like one of us is gonna get hurt bad.
Yeah, probably. I feel like I'm gonna get dragged.
Do it for the content. Okay, so these are the tarps that we are using. These are 20 by 30 tarps, and one of them is actually even bigger. So the wind is just gonna blow us away, and we might get dragged, we might get pulled, we might actually go in the air. They're like almost little parachutes. So they're like from that pillar to this pillar over here, or this one, size wise. So right now, we're gonna use these as ropes. We're gonna tie it to two of the edges on each side. Just hold it and hope that something happens. So let's get right into it. All right, so this is a time lapse, and we can't afford music, so you guys have to hear my annoying voice. Nestor, can you quiet down over there? I'm trying to do voice. All right, well, right here we know there's a paint can in the middle, right? So if you guys, we tested. Oh my God, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Just enjoyed the video, you know.
Shit, I died.
Alright, test one. Alright, let's see how this turns out. Three, two, one. Oh, jeez. That was a lot heavier.
That's what you mean.
Yeah, it's pulling us.
Test one. Done.
Alright, Nestor, I'm recording. Down the audio. Run, Nestor. Run, Nestor. Nestor, run. Oh my God, no.
Shit.
What happened?
Yo, that's the strongest.
I could do it.
Right. I want to see you try.
Alright. Nestor, give it to me.
No, it's not gonna go. It's not gonna go.
Bro, what are
you?
Do it! What are you doing? Man, you're lagging it. That was perfect for me.
No, it's alright. Hold on. I got you. I'll get you back up. Alright, ready? Spread out.
Spread out and get ready to run for the camera. Wait, no.
That's perfect.
Alright, give it to me. Oh, no, bro. Run. I'm trying to get airspeed. Nestor, Nestor, no. Hang on, I'm gonna run in the canal. Bro, the power line. Oh, jeez. Oh, Nestor. I'm gonna jump in canal. Bro, ready? Oh, wait,
I told you it's hard, bro.
All right, guys. So today was a fail. Nothing happened. Nestor, you're black as hell.
You can't even see me, bro.
All right, but we'll do it tomorrow in the morning.
First thing in the morning, we'll wake up, we'll get right on it.
But we're gonna do it on the roof. We might actually jump off the roof. But right now, the wind kind of slowed down when we had the idea.
Yeah.
But for sure we'll get it tomorrow. All right, so we said we would record in the morning, but it got crazier at night. So we just had to give it another shot. So right now, currently we got a setup of lights right now. So we're planning to take advantage of the little runway we got right here. My mom was parked right here, but she went to a party, so we just have to give it a shot. So basically, what we are doing, we're gonna have the tarp right here. We got our freaking supports here. We're gonna run, we're gonna jump, we're gonna try doing whatever we can to at least get off the ground. We might eat crap, we might slide, we might scrape ourselves, but it's all worth it for you guys. So those, I promise, are not ours. All right, those were already there. I know there's 2 of those and 2 of us, but they're not ours. So let's just get this started, man. I'm ready. So we're setting up, guys, and you guys could just hear how strong the wind is. Look.
Like you can hear it whistle.
You hear that? Like, no joke, it's really windy out there, and we're not joking when we say it's really windy.
Let's get it, bro.
Come on, fly! I'm gonna fly like Santa Claus. Ooh. Come on, come on. Come on, fly, fly. Yes, sir! Ah! It's so. I got it. Oh my god. I should just let myself, Oh. Oh. Oh, my back. I want to do a pull-up. I'm tired. Oh my god. Wait, watch. Watch this. Watch this, watch this. Watch this. Please don't fall off. Ready? Oh, you got it? Tired. Oh, I might just pull. Move. Get out. What happened?
I got it.
Your turn.
Yeah. This ain't nothing.
It ripped. So we said we would record in the morning, but the wind actually stopped, so we're gonna have to cut it short.
So if you guys have any ideas, make sure to comment them down below.
So make sure to subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Until next time, peace.